solution. We have log 10 raised to power x squared minus 5x plus 6 all equals to log 10 raised to power x minus 2. Since this place is plus, multiply their power times x minus 3. Since this place is minus, divide all by 4. So at the end, we are going to cancel this and cancel this so that we can work with the power, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6, close the bracket, equals to x minus 2 times x minus 3 all over 4. Cross multiply this by this, which is 4 into the bracket of x squared minus 5x plus 6, close the bracket, equals to x minus 2 times x minus 3. So 4 times x squared, you have 4x squared. 4 times 5x, you have 20x. 4 times 6, we have 24, equals to x multiplied by x, we have x squared. X times minus 3, you have minus 3x. Minus 2 times x, you have minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 3, you have plus 6. So at this point, we have 4x squared. We bring this one so that we can collect like terms, minus x squared. We take this to the front, minus 20x. Bring this one closer, which is minus 3x minus 2x. You have minus 5x. As it's carrying minus to this place, it will now be plus 5x plus 24 minus, because this is coming to the left, minus 6 equals to 0. At this point, excuse me to create space so that we can continue. 4x squared, okay, 4x squared minus x squared minus 20x plus 5x plus 24 minus 6 equals to 0. So we're going to have 3x squared minus 15x plus 18 equals to 0. Equals to 0. We can reduce it because there's a common factor here is 3. This divided by 3, we have x squared minus 5x, if you divide by 3, plus 6 equals to 0. We can use factorizing method to get the value of x. I'm going to leave the link where this one has been solved in one of my videos.